Just like with numbers, we sometimes get a remainder when we divide polynomials. Now with numbers, the remainder had to be less than the divisor. But what does it mean for one polynomial to be less than another? Well, the thing we can compare about polynomials is their degree. With polynomials, the degree of the remainder must be less than the degree of the divisor. So in this example, the divisor, its leading term is x squared, so it has degree 2. The remainder will have degree at most 1. So let's just do this division. So divide, we've got 2x to the third divided by x squared. That's going to be 2x. 2x times my divisor. That'll be 2x to the third minus 6x squared plus 8x. Write that underneath. And now we'll subtract. 2x to the third minus 2x to the third is 0. Negative 9x squared minus negative 6x squared is negative 3x squared. Positive 14x minus positive 8x is positive 6x. Now we bring down the next term. Divide. My first term now is negative 3x squared. Negative 3x squared divided by x squared, that's easy, that's negative 3. The next term in our quotient is negative 3. Multiply. Negative 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 4 is negative 3x squared plus 9x minus 12. Write that underneath and subtract. Negative 3 minus negative 3 is 0. 6 minus 9 is negative 3, so we have a negative 3x. Negative 5 minus negative 12 is positive 7. So we have a remainder of negative 3x plus 7. The remainder is negative 3x plus 7. That's linear, so it has degree 1. Now, there are lots of ways we could write the result of our division. When we have a remainder like this, we like to write our answer as our quotient plus our remainder over the divisor. This is like writing the results of division with numbers as a mixed number, right? So our whole number part and our fraction part for a mixed number. We can also express this in terms of multiplying and then adding. So this division tells us that our original polynomial is what we get if we take our quotient times our divisor and add in our remainder. If we think of our polynomials as functions, we can write this in function notation. So p of x is the dividend. In our example, 2x to the third minus 9x squared plus 14x minus 5. d of x is the divisor. In our example, x squared minus 3x plus 4. Q of x is the quotient. In our case, 2x minus 3. And r of x is the remainder. In our case, negative 3x plus 7. And remember, when we do this, the degree of the remainder is always less than the degree of the divisor.